Creating an effective plan of action and milestones, or POA&M, is essential for CMMC compliance. Here are 10 best practices for creating a successful POA&M. 1. Conduct thorough gap assessments to identify vulnerabilities, not just technical flaws. 2. Prioritize vulnerabilities based on risk. Consider impact, exploitability, and existing security controls. 3. Establish realistic timelines, factoring in complexity, approvals, and testing needs. 4. Assign clear ownership of tasks to ensure follow-through and progress tracking. 5. Apply interim risk mitigation as full remediation takes time. Strengthen access controls, monitoring, and architectural safeguards. 6. Allocate sufficient budget, personnel, and tools to ensure remediation is practical and sustainable. 7. Track progress with meaningful metrics that monitor risk reduction and not just task completion. 8. Regularly review your POA&M to ensure alignment with emerging threats. 9. Integrate your POA&M efforts with a holistic view to mitigate business disruption. And 10. Document your work, capturing before and after configurations, testing results, and approvals. To learn more about POA&Ms and CMMC compliance, please visit kiteworks.com.